We had this 2022 Akins Ford Raptor Code Orange in the showroom, and I was like, K-Dub, Chris Wall, if this thing sits here another day, I got parts on deck, we can knock this out. He said, let's do it, real deal. So here we go. We took a phenomenal Code Orange Gen 3 Raptor, which is amazing in the stock form, and we just did things to it that even if you weren't an accessory guy, you would look this next to a stock one and be like, oh yeah, that one hits different. You would definitely pick this one. I'm gonna show you why. Let's go. So here are some before photos and shots of how this thing looked in the stock form, y'all. You can see that front end is a little nose heavy, just not quite as substantial, and then boom, what you know about a little leveled on 37 action for you today. This one is a clean and simple INDORAPTOR package. This is about as entry level as you can get, but makes a huge difference. Overall, you can just tell by that stance of the comparison shot of the substantialness, the strong, the bulldog stance. Like this shot right here is my favorite. Look how wide and stronger this Raptor looks. The Raptor is a strong performance vehicle, and our wheel and tire combo definitely helped that in doing a fuel covert in an anthracite gray with the black simulated beadlock ring. It really ties in and flows nicely with our gray accents that the Raptor has that we a lot of times like to paint. But nonetheless, a 20x9 plus one offset on a 37, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge grappler puts us in that mild to wild scale, right there in that mid-level range. This is the great balance. That 0, +1, -1 is that perfect setup for not too wide, but not too tucked in. So typically +12, +20 is more conservative. -12, -13 more on the aggressive side for running 37s. That's really all that you're going to be able to accommodate on a 37 package, as we have here in doing -12, -13 offset with a 37. So take note of that. Also, that your tire that you choose makes a big difference too, because some tires measure out bigger than they actually say on the tire. Like this tire here is not quite a 37, it's like a 36.84, so not quite there, but gives us some room for articulation, but still is a big boy, substantial overall stance for us in the 37 package. Let me know what you think about this wheel and tire combo on the Code Orange. I love it, love it, love it. Got an Akins liner and a rolling lock A-series, that powder coated aluminum. I love that. This is a great bed cover, one of my favorite out there, y'all. Code Orange, still kind of wishing it was red, but the Code Orange definitely is that new performance color that Ford is definitely trying to push. And interior wise, carbon fiber package, lots of amenities. For reference, this is stock number because it's not going to last very long, but you may want to know more what we did to it. NFA 03409. Again, this is not a 37 package, but we turned it into one essentially with our INDORAPTOR package, but you do get B&O audio. You still get nice supportive bolsterous seating, a great 12-inch touchscreen, other great convenience features and safety features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. Here's a good shot with your amber lights on, just looking so aggressive. Now available for sale right here at Akins and Willies. We did rigid rock lights underneath each wheel well there, because with the 12-inch touchscreen now, you can get some added nighttime visibility by running the rock lights on there. So that's a great benefit that we like to do. Also, the B&O audio system does offer some nice sound system, but we like to add more bass. So we have an Alderson 10-inch downfire sub with a 500-watt Rockford amp to push it. Just because doing this combo, y'all, we can turn the bass down on the door speakers and just have the bass going straight to our subwoofer combo. And that way the B&O audio is enhanced, your overall clarity is improved, and you have bass that really makes it come to fruition. I'm a big sound guy. Real deal's a big sound guy, and I gotta have some bass, but I also like some nice mids and highs. I gotta have it all, y'all. So adding things like this to our INDORAPTOR package is definitely growing, because these are everyday drivers for many of us. So we want things that just add to our everyday experience. So INDORAPTOR on 37s, it's ready to ride, it's ready to stunt or go out on the weekend. Anything you can think of, this truck can do it. That's why it's the truck of all trucks, in my opinion, and we are shelling them out left and right on the day that Willies at Akins. I'm your boy for Everything Auto. Stay tuned for more. Hit that subscribe button. We won't stop, y'all. Peace out.